Hi everyone, I'm Eszter Kovacs, co-founder of DroneTalks, and here we have the other co-founder, Lorenzo Murzilli, who is also the CEO of Murzilli Consulting. Hi Lorenzo.
Hi Esther.
So today we're a little bit tired, we should admit that, because that's the second day of the event, the Commercial UAV show here in Las Vegas, and we talk with so many people. Oh my God, I cannot even count, I cannot even talk by the end of the day. So it's going to be like a really short recap, but very meaningful and impactful.
Absolutely, same story here. Very packed event, incredible participation, apparently more than 4,000 people, and very good venue, a lot of talks, so let's go.
So the top 3 topics which we talked about, or the hottest takeaways of the 2 days, I think that's the recap of Drone Talks. So the first one is American companies are ready to come to Europe. They want to come to Europe. They are extremely interested in the European market and the regulation there. Lorenzo, what's your takeaway on those?
Absolutely, this is true. I mean, normally this event has been very US focused, but this year I think there is increasing interest in coming to the US, coming to Europe. So companies want to come to Europe, want to understand the European regulation. They think that especially in the specific category, medium risk, Europe might be faster than the US. So definitely interest there.
Yeah, so that was their takeaway. Market entry is faster in Europe with that category than in the US. That's their takeaway, not ours, right? But this is what we are hearing everywhere. Okay, I think the second takeaway is that where is the money, right? This is what we hear everywhere: how to commercialize, how to create revenue. Drones flying A to B, that's already not something which is new. We have a lot of use cases, but where is the demand? How they can scale and create a decent amount of revenue?
Yeah, and the answer to that is obviously depending where you are. Design verification, type certification, BVLOS operations, approval with detect and avoid, and things like that. So companies are always seeing this happening maybe 3 to 5 years from now, but clearly the pressure is on. We are kind of at the limit of what we can do with the current system, the current regulatory environment. We need to push it now, and everybody's ready to do that.
Amazing. So let's push it. What's our last topic, Lorenzo? Remind me. You talk with a lot of investors, like, oh, by the way, a lot of investors coming to this show, and they all want to ask our opinion about companies and the market. So it's extremely interesting.
Yeah, I mean, from my side, there is a lot of companies out here, like a lot. And sometimes you ask yourself the question, do you really need all of them, right? It's like, do we have redundancy? So there have been a lot of talks about consolidation and the need to consolidate if you want to penetrate more the existing market. Sometimes, if you are spread too thin, you don't have impact, and consolidation can make that happen. I'm not saying that this is what I think, I'm just saying a lot of people think that, and we need to see where this is going, but definitely a topic on the show.
So I think that's all for today for the recap. If you are at the show, visit our booth at the 350. And if you are not, follow Drone Talks on every social media channel and on our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for listening us.
Thank you very much.